Dear students, welcome you in this virtual class of SST. In this class we will study about the northern plains. In the previous chapter we had learned about the physical division of the northern mountains. Now let's start with the second division, northern plains. Let's see what all will learn in this chapter. We will study about the location, extent and the features of the northern plains, and then we will study about three river basins: the Satluj basins, Ganga basins and Brahmaputra basin. Here the map, and you are here in this map the orange shade portion showing us the northern plains. As we have already understood the location of the northern mountains, they are situated at the extreme northern area. To the south of these mountains, northern plains situated. So the width of the varies from 240 kilometers to 230 kilometers. The northern plains are formed by the fine silt brought down by the river originating in the Himalayas. As we know, a lot of rivers originate from northern mountains. Now come to the next point, which is river basins. There are three river basins: the Satluj basins, Ganga basins and Brahmaputra basins. Satluj basin flows towards the south and west. The Bhakra Nagal Dam is the highest dam in India. The Punjab, Haryana are the two important states of the Satluj basins. Amritsar, Ludhiana, Patiala and Jalandhar are the chief cities of this basin. Now come to the Ganga basin. Ganga basin is the second most important basin is the central part of the plains. The Ganga Bhagirathi, the main river, originates from the Gangotri glaciers. Now come to the Yamuna is the main tributary of the Ganga. Now come to the Brahmaputra basin. The Brahmaputra basin rises the Mansarovar lake in Tibet. The other name is the Swangpo. These plains are made up of the alluvial soil brought down by the rivers. This soil is very soft and fertile. The land of these soils is soft, level and flat. Therefore, tube wells and canals can be dug for irrigations. These plains get sufficient rainfall. There are many rivers, streams, lakes. There is also rich vegetation. These factors affect the climate and make it tolerable. Northern plains are one of the largest and most fertile plains of the world. The land of northern plains is soft, level and flat. I hope students you understand the chapter very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.